Well, let's get started. This is a home page in our Canvas LMS. And on this home page is an introduction to the tutorials as well as buttons that candidates can use to access each one of the tutorial topics. So let's go ahead and take a look at the topic of self. And I'm going to restart this.
Welcome to CDA Functional Area 8, Self.
So I will just quickly show you the menu that gives you an idea of the number of sections for this particular tutorial, which is pretty common amongst all of them in terms of the sections. And then let's just look at one of the sections, which is sense of self. And this is just a way for the candidates to have some sort of interaction with the content. And I did turn off the audio, but you can still see that the audio is going based on the closed captions. There are knowledge checks here that the candidates can use to check their knowledge. Wow, I didn't do so well. There's also just regular content that the that can be read, and more knowledge checks. With this particular knowledge check, it leads to an external resource. And then there's also, in the interactivity, again, there's also just content that they can either listen to or read that gives them the information that they need. And then there are videos they can view, and lots of knowledge checks. The SMEs really wanted lots of knowledge checks. And of course, each section has a section divider. And then I'll just kind of scroll through and take you to what they experience at the end, which is a celebration of their achievement and completion. And then they get a score of their results. You can tell by those two knowledge checks I didn't do so well, but they get a score. And then, of course, they get an exit slide that, thanks them and takes them out of that particular tutorial, and so that they can return and select a different tutorial. That is the end of the very quick tour, and thank you for watching.